Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna sit down and unbox my BoxyCharm, my regular BoxyCharm for the month of November, $25 box. Yeah, I always think 21 because of their old price, but $25 a month and 5 full-size products. I do have a little, I don't know how to even put this, but I just feel like saying some stuff. It's a little bit dramatic, maybe. I'm about to throw this chair through the window, I promise. So anytime I bring up, YouTube videos not doing good, something like that, I always have, I would say 95% very, very kind, sweet people who tell me, hey, this is my input on it. The comment I get the most is, I don't like Ipsy and BoxyCharm unboxings anymore, or I'm not into it. Not in a hateful way, but just saying like those don't interest me. But these videos get more views than my other stuff. More people watch those than anything else. I still enjoy doing them, don't get me wrong. I'm not going to do them simply because people like them, but I get that comment a lot. Now, if you're one of my other subscribers who really doesn't like these, but you're kind enough to just watch my videos or put them on, thank you, and I love you guys. I totally understand if unboxings aren't your thing, but they are not the problem. Just trust me on that. I get so many people who are like, yeah, I love your vlogs, but I don't really care for the unboxings, but most people don't watch my vlogs, you feel me? So while I do both because I like to, give a little something for everybody. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into it. I wonder if I'm gonna cut this out. I don't know, but we're gonna dive in. Of course, we have our products. Now with these try-ons, like I've said the last few times, I do take a peek. I don't know how I feel about this one. Now there's a couple good things, but there's a couple things I'm like, So let's start with the Dr. Brandt Antioxidant Spray Toner. First of all, I love the packaging. It's so pretty. Also, I just did my nails with the Impressions nails. I love these. So this one's got green tea, white tea extract. Where's my card? This goes for $40. It shields your skin from free radicals, environmental stressors, formulated with red rose wine. You like red wine or white wine? I'm a white wine gal. A lotus flower extract to tone, soothe, and purify, leaving skin feeling soft, hydrated, and revitalized. Doesn't really smell like anything. It feels really nice. I mean, it feels like a toner. Let me see. Does it say to spray it or use it on a cotton? I hope not. Yeah, spray evenly on clean skin. I love a toner and a spray. Anytime that I can spray something on my skin versus having to use what I just used, it's great because I want to limit how much I have to. I'm telling you guys, I'm gonna break this chair. But I do like to limit how many things I use on cotton because, you don't want to be too wasteful. And this is really nice. I like Dr. Brandt. So first product is a big thumbs up. All right, we got the 111 Skin Hyaluronic Acid Aqua Booster. So 111 Skin has a gigantasmic price tag on it. And I've tried a few things. I don't think I've really tried enough to say like, it's good, it's bad, it's worth it, it's not. But I do feel like a lot of the time, some of the skincare, some of it that has this inflated price tag doesn't really live up to the hype, but I don't know, we're gonna try it. I mean, I'm not mad at it. I like getting expensive stuff in my boxes. This guy goes for $135. I'm gonna drop it onto my skin. I love that every time somebody uses a dropper on their face, they're like, don't touch that to your skin. Well, as I said before, just drop it onto it. I didn't touch the tip onto my skin, but I did do it directly onto my face, and thus less on my hands. Feels really nice. I mean, it's a serum. We're trying a serum. You know what I mean? I can't really say like, oh, this product's amazing, you need it. But so far so good. It feels really nice on my skin. The packaging is super sleek. It has like a little bit of like a, high-end medicinal type of brand look to it. Definitely high-end. Hyaluronic acid, if you don't know, will plump up your cells with hydration. It's also great for retaining the moisture. So as you're adding other products that have moisture, the hyaluronic acid is just gonna like hold it in place. So yeah, really good for dehydrated skin. I love it. I do have to say I'm pretty happy with my skincare in this box. The rest is more makeup related. First, before we grab our next product, I'm going to moisturize. When I tell you, I'm going to take a hammer and take this chair outside and beat it to death. It's going to get all of my frustration out. So I'm just going to use a moisturizer that I have on my table. This is the C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Not in my box, just something I'm going to throw on because you've got to moisturize after toner and serum. I also thought about, let me know what you guys think. I thought about filming a video once a week at night, sitting down with a glass of wine and doing makeup or skincare and chit-chatting. Let me know if you guys have some interest in that. I thought about doing like, I don't know, talking about something specific, but I feel like maybe just chit-chatting, getting into it. Some of you guys asked me for that. I don't want to say everybody's asking me for that. I know that's an influencer thing. I'm thinking sit down, film, glass of wine, chit-chat. It can be, you know, doing a makeup look or simply just taking off the makeup look and chatting, but I feel like that might be fun. So next up, when I saw this name, I was like, I don't know why this name bugs me, but it's Jekka or Yekka Black. I've never heard of that. It's the perfect under eye brightener. Disguises darkness and even out skin tones. Lightweight formula creates a natural glowing finish. I don't really use color correctors. Now, right now, I actually do have some darkness under my eyes. It's not always there, but it's sometimes there, but usually I just ignore it because my concealer, foundation, whatever is going to cover it. But this one goes for $15 and it is the 2.0 liquid corrector for light coverage to cover dark circles. So I'm going to give it a go. This is made in the UK, vegan and cruelty free. So if you're someone who likes to use a color corrector, I mean, 15 bucks and vegan and cruelty free, I'm not mad at that. Is it Jekka or Yekka? I don't know. I'm guessing it's Jekka or Jessa. Is it Jessa with 2 C's? Okay, I need to stop. So let's grab a brush and I'm going to color correct my dark circles. It's mainly right here and right here. With color correction, the main thing you don't want to do is blend it out too much because honestly it's pointless. You want to cover basically just the areas that you want to color correct. It's like just neutralizing those areas. If you spread it out too much, then you're really just kind of like coating the area with color and it's going to change the color of your entire complexion versus changing the color just where you put it. So, you know, I know how to color correct, I just don't often do it. If I ever use color correctors, it's usually a green and it's usually when I've done something to my skin, like, you know, use chemical exfoliation. But you can probably see, I'm not going to do too much to blend this in, but you can probably see exactly what I'm talking about because it has brightened that inner corner and right up under my eye. A little bit goes a long way. This is a cute little color corrector. I'm not mad at it. I just don't really have a big use for it, but who knows? I mean, I could smash my face into my doorway tomorrow and absolutely need it. I do things like that all the time. I have a bruise on my finger right now from like running into my doorways. Like, who does that? Me. I'm gonna be quite frank. I have a couple products left. One of them I already have, so I'm gonna grab it. The other is kind of like a towards the end of my makeup routine. Actually, they really both are. So I'm gonna do a bunch of this off camera and then we will come back, open up our last couple of things and finish up. All right, so I'm ready. I know it looks like my makeup is completely done, but we've got 2 more products left. So next up, the GimMe Brow Plus, and this is in shade 3. I do already have this, so I'm going to use mine. Now, I love this product for other people and it's good for me too, but it's just, it doesn't have the exact same effect. So for me, I have to draw in all the front of my brows, but if you have brows that come in far enough and go out far enough to the tail and you just want to like make them a little bushy or fill them in, then this is great. This has to be, for me, used with a pencil. But I love Benefit brow products in general. So this is going to help me kind of fill in. And it has little fibers to really get your brows looking bigger. I do love the way that it looks. And I have a few little sparse hairs that it'll grab onto. But I can't really just go in with this and be done because I don't have a lot of that inner brow that I like to have. So that Benefit GimMe Brow Plus goes for $24. It lasts a really long time, so I feel like it's a good one. We've got 1 more product left. Now, I was like a little disappointed that I didn't get the Natasha Denona palette. That was one of the options, but we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see. So this is from Beauty Creations. I don't think I've ever used anything from them. Maybe that's not true. Maybe one thing, but this is the Cali Glow highlighting palette. Now, I'm gonna tell you, I'm just not excited for this because I am very unlikely to be able to use more than one of these as a highlight. Now, on one hand, it's great because anybody who gets this will be able to use it, but on the other hand, like, I can't get a lot of use out of it, you know? So let me swatch these. Like, I would rather just get like a single highlighter that is going to match my skin tone. Ooh, the darker ones are really pretty. Do not get me wrong. Like, I love that there is variety for the people who are getting this, but for me personally, that shade Malibu is going to be like a one and done, and I don't think I'm going to keep this bulky packaging for a long time when this is what I'm using. So I may depot this, who knows. So let's try Malibu. I'm going to use it on a MAC 133 brush. This is like my favorite highlighting brush ever, and hello. It is pretty, but it's one of those highlighters that Anastasia Glow kits, like, they look really, really blinding, but the thing that I don't like about them is that they show texture. Like, my texture is really, really enhanced by this, and I am not a fan. If it didn't show my texture, the glow is beautiful, but up close you can see like any little texture pores. I mean, some of it's just skin. You know, it's fine, but this isn't my favorite. This Beauty Creations palette is only $14.99, so it is really affordable. I feel like quality and price are kind of matching, but I can totally pick up a Wet n Wild highlighter that is going to do just as well and probably won't show as much texture, to be honest. So all in all, I have some good products. I feel like I got my money's worth because I love the Dr. Brandt toner and the 111 Skin Serum. I mean, I'm never going to say no to a serum. And then the Gimme Brow Plus I already like. As for the other two, like this color corrector, I mean, some people will enjoy getting this and some won't. It just depends if you use that product regularly. I feel like most of us aren't really color correcting a lot. It's more of a makeup artist thing, or for those who really struggle with, you know, dark areas, yada yada. But I do feel like every product that I used turned out okay. There's nothing like awful in this whatsoever, and the highlight kind of plays well with the glitter that I used on my eye. It's actually a Super Shock shadow that's just like more glittery. It's super, super pretty, and I have to say I like the way that my makeup turned out. So I'm gonna try to get a good picture. So I'm gonna try to get a decent picture and post that up on my Instagram. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this unboxing. As always, thank you so much for all your support. If you like unboxings, leave a thumbs up. If you like my channel, leave a thumbs up. If you hate unboxing but you like my other videos, leave a thumbs up. But comment down below and let me know what you think about my wind down Friday wind down. Is that a thing? Every time I have an idea that I'm like, oh, it's different, it's like, no, people have done that. But you want to wind down on Friday or what? Let me know. So thank you guys again, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye guys.